Guys, for the 3 years, this is the third time in 3 years na nandito ako, guys. Anyway, uh, every year we come here for 3 times. Yan, pero pangatlong taon na ito, guys, ngayon. So I'm so glad, very happy to see it again. Kaso lang may music. No, there in the boat.
See this one. See this.
Marami pa rin, guys, naglalaro sa tabi ng dagat. Ewan ko lang kung maliligo ba sila or sunbathing lang. Kasi pag ganitong umaga, may sun naman siya. Yan. In 30 minutes, papasok kami sa loob, may play area kasi. Pero at least, mas gusto ko dito muna kami, guys.